did an RWB build. We're going to Gunther Werks in less than 24 hours. We're at the airport in Salt Lake City, and there's a Lego store. And of course, Paul found something. They said this is not, it's like a Utah-ish, not exclusive, but they have a lot of snow here, so that's kind of what they're happy about. So, turns into that thing, which, oh, it's a snowmobile. I just had to read. Okay, airport, bye. Definitely a lot bigger than Salt Lake. By random happenstance, we got an Ioniq 5. And I'm actually really excited to try it, mostly because I see all the videos of Larry Chen rev banging it, and we are going to experience this for the first time. Got to our place in LA, and we're gonna go in. For the very first time, we've never seen it before. Oh, damn. Oh, damn.
Hey, shit up.
Oh, yeah, bro. I don't know. California. What do California people do? Oh, here it is. Damn. Nice bathroom. Whoa, what the f? Was this a bookcase, dude? That is actually crazy. What the heck? Bedroom, bookcase. How did you guys even open that? Just yank it open? Whoa. Dang, this is pretty tight. This is a one person in, one person out kind of situation. Yep. Okay, I'll go down. Dude, it's narrow. Like, you can see my foot. It's literally like the size of my foot. Whoa. Whoa. This is a cool place. Oh, Jesus.
After checking out our place, we hit the road to Gunther Werks. There's some backstory as to why we're here though. So back home we shoot for the very rare Porsche 997 VRT. Now VRT stands for Vorsteiner Race Technology, founded by Peter Nam. This particular VRT is one of 3 in existence, and it was actually Peter's personal car. It has a ton of carbon fiber parts everywhere, and everywhere you look, it's incredible. Vorsteiner started by creating functional carbon fiber components for all sorts of cars and eventually landed on doing Porsche parts. Now Peter's passion to Porsche led to the creation of Gunther Werks, where he reimagined 993s. Why the 993? Well, Peter loves GT3s, but that didn't come around until the 996 platform. The 993s, it never got a GT3 version, so he decided to build his own. Gunther Werks is Peter's vision of what a 993 GT3 would have been, and that's why they taglined the Porsche 911 remastered by Gunther Werks. It's his own love letter to Porsche, giving them a modern take to a legendary generation.
Just last night we were with Nakai, all the way until dinner, or through dinner, and now we're here at GUNTHERWERKS finally. Look at this. I was concerned because no one else had bags or gear setups, so we do not have them either. Everything from GUNTHERWERKS will be handheld. We're gonna have a good time anyway. I'm really excited. Welcome to GUNTHERWERKS. Jesus Christ. This place is so electric, it's not even a joke. There's so much happening, dude. Whoa, look at that top. Never seen that before. Slant nose, dude.
Oh wow, look at that.
991 GT3. Oh yeah. 912? Or no, it is a 911. That's cool. Okay. Walking in for the first time. Holy God. Wow. That's incredible. And a Speedster. 993C. Oh my God, it's full carbon, dude. That's probably really hard to pick up on the camera, but it's a full carbon 993 Speedster. And that's orange carbon. That's hard to see. This is incredible. I have no actual words. Hey, we got one guy with a gimbal. I left all my stuff in the car, but it's okay. Yeah, there's not many media people at all. Oh, look at this one. So this is incredible because I've never actually seen a GUNTHERWERKS in person before, and obviously we're at GUNTHERWERKS HQ, so they've got a lot of really cool bespoke seats which are carbon that are in this one, it looks like. And so here's the thing, GUNTHERWERKS is really special in the fact that each car is over $1 million because they build very, very limited quantities of them and do full restorations, and a lot of them have fully carbon shells, and so they redo pretty much everything. I don't know the entire detail of it. The hope is we're actually going to get to talk to Peter maybe at Luft and actually get to know a little bit more about it. And so if you don't know, we are actually documenting the history of the white VRT, which is actually Peter Nam's personal car, which is kind of how we got invited here. There's so many details on this car. There's so much to look at and look into. There's a lot, like truly a lot to take in. Peeking behind all these people is the blue 993, which is personally my favorite one, so at least that I've seen so far. Oh damn, that was nice. I saw that. This is so nice. This is insane.
So this is the GUNTHERWERKS GWR. It's their best naturally aspirated version, which was developed between GUNTHERWERKS themselves and Rothsport Racing. Now the engine is a flat 6 4-liter naturally aspirated engine pushing to 9,000 RPM. It has over 500 horsepower and 340 foot-pounds of torque. It is limited to only 40 in the world.
GT3, really good spec actually. I like that a lot. Matte black Viper, that's gonna be impossible to capture. 991 Turbo RS is what it says. Man. Oh God, hello. Oh that is really nice.
Look at the seats too.
Yeah. So we just talked to the owner. I didn't get him on camera, but his Instagram is slanted.media, and he's had this Datsun, he said, for the last 2 years. He works at a shop that reupholsters cars. This thing is so clean, and I think that's so cool with California cars in general, is that you guys are so clean out here. It's ridiculous. So he's got a really nice wheel. He said he redid the entire interior. Like, there's no rust, dude. The wheels, like, this thing is clean, man. This is the CNC machining room. Oh, they're literally making a wheel. How cool is that? They're literally making a wheel right in front of our face. I've never seen this before. I've never seen the process before. And they make like these barrels and everything. And wow. Look at all the like barrel lips and everything. I'm guessing he's making the faces. I really don't know, but he's doing that, I think.
18 by 11 and then 18 by 13, 16 pounds.
18 by 11s run about 14 pounds after they're done. Because it's magnesium.
Oh.
And he said the rears are 18 by 13 and they're 16 pounds.
Oh. So back here is roped off. I can't go any further, but clearly it's a paint booth. There's a lot going on over there. I have no idea what I'm looking at. I do know what that is. This is a Vorsteiner wheels. Yeah, forged Vorsteiner wheels, which is really cool. How cool, that's incredible. GUNTHERWERKS has been amazing. That is Daily Driven Exotics over there, which is kind of cool, but this car, we've been drawn to the entire night. I think it's a mix of the color, the accents, the softbox light. It's all been really, really well done. The actual facility itself has been really, really cool. So, GUNTHERWERKS, thank you for having us. It has been really, really cool. And we were saying that we completed the trifecta. Singer, GUNTHERWERKS, RWB, we've taken pictures of all of it. So we've officially completed the trifecta. The Daily Driven Exotic guys. Goodbye. I was saying we were going to meet someone. We were bound to. GUNTHERWERKS is awesome. I would love to come back here and get a real good tour of the facility. So hopefully, Peter, you can see this, and we will be able to do that. But we're going to see you at Luft. But like I said earlier, like we completed the trifecta, literally. Singer, GUNTHERWERKS, RWB. We've seen all of them and photographed all of them. So it's very different. I'm not going to say that one is better than the other because everyone has entitled, of course, to their own opinions. But you know, they're all curated for different types of people, and that's what the car world is about. It's for everyone has different tastes, right? That's where the whole Euro, JDM, American cars come from. Like everyone has a specific taste, and so it's the same thing with this. So that's that. Mine personally, still RWBs. So, but there's no doubt that seeing GUNTHERWERKS and being here is incredible. All right, we're going to bed. I'll see you guys at Luft. Goodbye.